This video is for everyone working with social media traffic: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and other platforms. All you need is a SmartLink from Monetag, a special link designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers. So if you want to land on this website, I have left a link in the description section that you can click so as to get to the platform. Now, you might have a question: why choose Monetag SmartLink? Now, here's the thing that you need to learn. There are many SmartLinks from different platforms and CPA networks. Unlike many other platforms, Monetag has been on the market for many years and works with thousands of advertisers from all over the world, which means competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers. Then number 2, there are ads for users from any GL. Then number 3, it offers fast payouts starting from just $5, and then it offers 24/7 support. Now, let me show you how you sign up on Monetag and how you do other things so as to maximize your earnings or to begin to earn from the platform using the SmartLink. Stay tuned. After you click the link in the description section, this is the page that you're going to land on. So what you do is, since it's your first time, make sure that you sign up. So you click sign up there, and this page will load. You can click here where it reads create account with email, or you can sign in with your Google. So what you do is you punch in your first name, then you punch in your last name, punch in your email, the country of residence, then here you choose your socials. Is it Facebook, WeChat, WhatsApp, and then punch in your phone number. Now, I have to emphasize on this one thing, which is very important. Make sure that as you are registering your name, you use your name which appears on your credentials. If you're Mulenga Kasonde, make sure that that's the name with which you register on Monetag. Otherwise, you're going to face challenges, especially when it comes to making withdrawals. Okay, very important. So after registering an account, let me show you something that's of great significance. So this is what you're gonna see, right? Let me now introduce you to the features of Monetag. What's on top here is statistics. This part actually shows the number of clicks on that link, which is called the SmartLink, that you happen to plant on blog, on your website, on Facebook, under those posts that you make. This is the part that records all those clicks. So if you check here 19/04/2026, there are 3 clicks. There are 3 clicks on the link, and I've actually earned 0.001 cents. Okay, now how much you earn highly depends on the source of your traffic. Everything is embraced here, where from that traffic is coming, the zones, the OS, all those. And then if you want to connect your website to Monetag, you click here, and then me, I've actually connected 2 websites. You click here where it reads add website, but then I'm assuming that you have copied the link of your website. You paste it in here and then click add website. And after you do that, there will be a file that you need to download from here. When you download it, it will be on your PC, and you need to upload it to your website's root. Okay, and you'll be good to go. Anytime people are visiting your website, Monetag will provide necessary ads to them, and whenever they click them, you'll be earning here. That's how it works. And then let me talk about the direct link, how you have to source it so as to begin to make use of it. So what you do is you click here where it reads direct link. Now, it being your first time, you won't see what I'm seeing right now. I had created all these, that's why they are here. So since it will be your first time, you need to click here where it reads create one, and then you click here where it reads social traffic, and boom, the link has been successfully created. Okay, here 9004 something. If you want, you can name this one by clicking the pencil icon here, so that you're able to identify it pretty well. You name it in whichever way you want to name it. If you want to be using it on Facebook, so that you be keeping track of the traffic from Facebook, name it Facebook link, just like that. So now, having created the SmartLink, you need now to copy it. Okay, I've copied it, and then I'm gonna head over to Facebook. Now, before I do that, I will need to make use of ChatGPT to write an article, and then in that article, I'll actually plant in that SmartLink. Okay, so let me do that, and then I say write a Facebook article, which is likely to go viral. Then prompt people to click the link, to click this link below, for more info, for more pieces of information. All right, and I'm gonna hit go. Okay, check this one out. So this is the article that ChatGPT has actually created for me. It's saying, headline: she tried this for 7 days. The results shocked her doctors. You've seen the ads. You've scrolled past the too good to be true promises, but this time it's different. Meet Sarah, a 42-year-old mom of 2 who was exhausted all the time, struggling with brain fog and feeling like so this is actually the article. So what I'll do is actually copy this. So this time around things are pretty easy because there is AI. I'm copying this, and then I'm gonna head over to Facebook. If you get a blog where you post such stories or articles, you can actually make use of that. Be it on LinkedIn, yeah, you can actually post that on LinkedIn. Okay, so if you're adding a link on LinkedIn, you had better add it as the first comment. Don't add it to the main article, otherwise it will be flagged as spam. So then what you do is you click here where it reads create a post, and then you can type in that article. Here where they're saying insert a link, you head over to Monetag and copy the link and then paste it in there. So I'm gonna paste it here, boom. And then to make it, clickable, I would need to create an image. And then what I do is I make use of Gemini, and I'm gonna feed it with the information. Say create a thumbnail which is 16:9 based on this information. Okay. Alright, so Gemini has actually generated this image. I'm gonna download it to my PC and then upload it to Facebook so that it goes with the article. You remember, when you happen to upload a picture with an article, that actually becomes intriguing. So let me just do that. upload a pic. There it is. And then hit next. If I want, I can actually tag people and then hit post. And boom, there it goes. As people are actually clicking the posts and they're reading the story, they'll reach a point where they'll be prompted to click that link, and Monetag will do the rest. So that's how we go about this. You can do that on your website, on your blog post, on YouTube, when you're posting your content. Okay, you might be wondering, how then do people withdraw from the platform? So the minimum threshold is $5. Once you just happen to have $5 accumulated in your account, you can actually withdraw. So then how do you withdraw? So what you do is you click the avatar and then you click payment options, and boom, you're going to see all these options. So one thing I love about Monetag is it's got manifold options via which you can actually withdraw. There's PayPal, USDT, ERC20, USDT BEP20. You can also use PayPal. You can use Skrill, WebMoney, as well as Payoneer. There are manifold methods via which you can actually withdraw your earnings, so no need to worry. Let me now show you how you can maximize your earnings on the platform. So this platform offers the referral program. You can actually refer other people, and when you actually use your referral link to invite other people and they begin to earn, you walk away with 5% of their earnings. Okay, that's how it is. If they earn 3,000 US dollars, 5% of their earnings will actually be yours. All right, so if you want to refer other people, all you have to do is you click get link here, and then as you post your videos, you can actually put those links in the description, in your bio, so that people are able to join. And once they join, they earn money, you'll be actually walking away with 5% of their earnings. Now, before you hit the road, register on Monetag today and start turning your social traffic into revenue with SmartLink. Sign up now.